Thanks for joining me here at the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. I'm doing your weekly Sacral Chakra reading to help you clear any blockages, become aware of what's going on with this. I do have a repeating card, so you may have had something that happened within, I want to say the last week, 2 or 3 weeks, at least back, that's coming up again. And this energy isn't entirely amazing. It's an energy that drains you, that makes you feel frail, that makes you feel old, that just has you in a cloak that makes you feel itchy, scratchy, not in your best state. And it keeps your passions behind you and makes them feel sharp and kind of unattainable in a way. Like it makes your landscape of passion seem like you can't even traverse it. And it comes in definitely through your mental space, but it affects you in every way. And this is in your sacral zone. So this is affecting your ability to create, to birth things, to really, be in that state of growing, basically. And from the root, yesterday, we did have this message come through of having you in the process of creating something new. So please protect yourself. And as I look to the accompanying card for this, I'm also getting that it's coming at a level that's emotional as well. And emotions, it could be triggering the subconscious emotions that you may have, although I don't entirely feel like they're your emotions. This energy that may be coming in could be someone else's subconscious emotions that are out of control, unnamed, they're not even aware of them, they have multiplied, and they're very aggressive, coming right towards you. And yeah, I'm very confident that it's not your actual subconscious emotions. What I'm seeing for you actually is that there's a lot of innocence around you, and innocence that's even like a childlike innocence. It's so pure, and you are in a state of being very spiritually pure, even like your spiritual power isn't about being aggressive. It's about purity. And you are not fearing. You see all this flying around you. It's like you're observing, but you're not reacting, and you're not going to be fearful. In fact, you almost look like you don't even take it seriously. As scary as this is trying to appear, you kind of are looking at it still with playful eyes, with the eyes of a child that stays in their innocence. So I hope that this message has been helpful. Tomorrow I will do the solar plexus chakra, so please join again for that if you can. Thanks so much.